My dear student, today we are going to learn some English idioms in Hindi. But remember, whenever you will learn some idioms, that you will make to practice at home. Now, I have already given some idioms to these two girls. They will come and one of the girl, Ashma, will ask in Hindi, then Asifa will translate it into English. Thanks, you come here, Asma, you take it and you also passes this to Asma. Okay, Asma? Asifa, come here.
May I start, sir?
Okay, you start.
वह विज्ञान के विषय में कुछ भी नहीं जानता है.
He does not even know the ABC of science. He does not even know the ABC of science.
उसे अनुचित रूप से तरक्की मिली.
He got promotion through backstairs influence. He got promotion through backstairs influence.
नोबेल पुरस्कार किसी विद्वान के लिए सर्वोच्च सम्मान है.
Nobel Prize is a blue ribbon for a scholar. Nobel Prize is a blue ribbon for a scholar.
वह जन्मदिन के अवसर पर अत्यंत प्रफुल्लित मुद्रा में है.
He is in fine feathers on his birthday. He is in fine feathers on his birthday.
सुख का साथी हमें संकट में छोड़ देता है.
A fair weather friend leaves us in trouble. A fair weather friend leaves us in trouble.
यह भारत के लिए गौरवपूर्ण कार्य है.
It is a feather in India's cap. It is a feather in India's cap.
वह अत्यंत प्रतिकूल अवस्था में है.
He is like a fish out of water. He is like a fish out of water.
वह आज बिना सूचना के छुट्टी पर है.
He is on a French leave today. He is on a He is on French leave today. He is on French leave today.
वह श्वान निर्दावला है.
He is a light sleeper. He is a light sleeper.
वह विद्वान है.
He is a man of letters. He is a man of letters.
मीठी जबान सफलता की कुंजी है.
A sweet tongue is a key to success. A sweet tongue is a key to success.
यह मामला अभी भी अनिश्चित है.
This issue is still an open question. This issue is still an open question. उसे अपने निर्णय के पक्ष और विपक्ष में सोचना चाहिए.
He should consider the pros and cons of his decision. He should consider the pros and cons of his decision.
वह एक झक्की सनकी आदमी है.
He is a queer fish. He is a queer fish.
यह फिल्म छोटे छोटे लोगों के लिए है.
This film is meant for the riff-raff. This film is meant for the riff-raff.
यह अत्यंत अविश्वसनीय व्यक्ति है.
वो अत्यंत अविश्वसनीय व्यक्ति है जिसे विश्वास नहीं करा जा सकता. उसे क्या कहते हैं? चलो.
He is a broken reed. He is a broken reed.
वह अभी संकट में है.
He is on the horns of a dilemma. He is on the horns of a dilemma.
Now, remember, वो है संकट में है, यानी कि संकट में वो पड़ा है, तो इसको कहते हैं he is in a
dilemma, or he is on the
or
horns.
in a fix.
हाँ,
वह इस हॉल में बेढंगा और अटपटा सा लगता है।
in this hall, he looks like a bull in a china shop. In this hall, he looks like a bull in a china shop.
वह छुपा हुआ दुश्मन है। वह छुपा हुआ दुश्मन है।
He is a snake in the grass. He is a snake in the grass.
यह खुशी के बीच एक खतरा है।
It is like a sword of Damocles. It is like a sword of Damocles.
बहुत से उम्मीदवार उचित योग्यता के अनुरूप है।
Most of the candidates are up to the mark. Most of the candidates are up to the mark.
समाजवादी समाज में उच्च वर्ग का कोई स्थान नहीं है।
There is no room for the upper 10 in a socialist society. There is no room for the upper 10 in a socialist society.
नेक्स्ट,
यह निशाने से बहुत दूर है।
It is wide of the mark. It is wide of the mark.
इस गाड़ी से उसे लाभ के बदले हानि होती है।
This car is a white elephant for him. This car is a white elephant for him.
व्हाइट एलिफेंट का ही मतलब है जिससे हमें लाभ नहीं होता है बल्कि हानि हो जाता है। हम उसको पाल पोष नहीं कर सकते। नेक्स्ट पूछो।
ये दफ्तर में बैठकर काम करने वाले लोग हैं।
They are white collar people. They are white collar people.
यह मूर्खतापूर्ण साहसिक कार्य है।
It is a wild goose chase. It is a wild goose chase. We are done with this
Now,
part.
remember one thing. Whenever you are speaking or you are telling to the student, you should not be do so fast. Remember, I am saying here, sometime you try to pronounce the words also. If you are not pronounce the words, then it cannot be understood. On the other hand, I like to say you that you should break the language in parts as other student can understand. Now, maybe you have shown a good quality over here. Thanks a lot.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our Master Spoken English.